Hi YouTube, this is Drew Chris, and today I'm going to show you a cool app that makes you text differently. So first you're going to go to the App Store and type in Pimp My Text, and you should get an app that looks like this. So just install it. Okay, now I'm going to go to my app. And I'm going to type in my app. My text message. Okay, then click next. And you get to choose from all these colors. Let's say I want this one for my font. Then for the background of my text, you click background. Let's say I want it yellow. So it looks like that. Then you're going to click send. Then click continue. Now it's going to bring you up to your texting things, and you're just going to type in your friend. And hold that and click paste. Then your message should come up there. You see it's yellow instead of being blue. And that's how you pimp your text. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.